Today we have come to TYC Hindu Gymkhana. Can you hear me? Because I think there's so much energy around for wheelchair basketball. I've come here to capture them as well as see it. So it's very nice. We're going to take you around the whole setup of how it works in our video. So please watch.
तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय? मागच्या आठवड्यापासून आपण मला असं तास काय होतं असं वाटतंय? काय आपण चांगलं होतं असं वाटतंय का? पहिले दोन दोन मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग होतं याचा अर्थ कम्युनिकेशन कमी आहे याचा अर्थ होतो का? कोण आहे तुझ्या टीममध्ये? तुझ्या टीममध्ये लक्ष्मणच्या टीममध्ये कोण कोण होतं? हा चोर. हां, मग काय म्हणणं आहे बाकीचे? तुला काय म्हणायचं सचिन? तो म्हणतोय ते बरोबर आहे का? तुमचं काय होतं असं वाटतं?
तिथे कोणी टाकायला नाही, जो आहे त्याला पास देत होते, त्यामुळे ओम टीम करू शकतात. तो प्रत्येक ओम यांचं कॉर्डिनेशन चांगलं होतं. ती बॉल दिल्यानंतर त्यांनी
झिंगाट लावत पाहिजे सांगा माझ्या आलो
Hi guys, we're meeting Suvarna. I will not say much about her because everyone knows she's a stalwart and so is her daughter. So I think I'll not dwell into that. I just want to know from her how she got into this wheelchair basketball because it's very, I mean she's always been there into basketball, so there's no question about that. Only thing is how challenging it is, or how did you think about giving this to the society? Because it's really...
Actually, it's I think 5-6 years ago, like in 2013 or 14, I was doing a FIBA level 1 in Chennai, and there it's Madhavi Lata. She was like practicing this wheelchair basketball. She just started that activity there, and I got to know about that, and I went and meet them, and they asked me that would you like to help us in this. And I said okay, because the basketball is same. Only the people are sitting on the wheelchair and they play. So I come back home. I came back home in Pune and all, and then I actually forgot. But somehow some people they kept in touch with me, and then again in I think 5-6 months or in a year I got a chance to go in PRC, Paraplegic Rehabilitation Center in Pune. That is like Army Best Institute. Like all Army people, paraplegic people stay there, and they play excellent basketball. So I happened to be there and I saw them playing, and I was like, that was next level, because I was so fascinated because of the game and everything, and I just started practicing there, and that's how actually I'm into wheelchair basketball. I started, I learned wheelchair basketball initially, and then I started teaching that.
Okay.
And this Pune Riders thing, like in here, like it's a very new thing because just PYC gave us this all facility and all. So last almost 6 months, a year, we have started practicing here. And, building. The activity is building. It's like fun, and I always feel like basketball has given me so much. So this is the way I have to give back to society, and this is the right thing. Wheelchair basketball is like it's the next level thing.
So guys, I think she's doing a super job. I think she's very inspiring. I mean, you have to actually see it to believe it, because when I came here, this is exactly how I felt, what Suvarna had felt when she took up wheelchair basketball coaching. So this is how it is, and I think you've been teaching them, so you want them to reach a certain level of excellence.
Yeah.
So
Actually, these are all civilians, and they are not actually players. They don't have any background of any athletic thing. So initially, though, we are like trying to teach them some game skills, some athleticism, and all those things. And then we have a plan. If they continue to play, then they can be playing for the competitive. They can play for Maharashtra or India, because few of them already have played for Maharashtra.
Okay.
And they have won medals. Like Maharashtra women team is a gold medalist team, and we have 3 to 4 players from that team here. And it's like a very slow process, but we are like aiming to it. We are pushing them. So let's see.
So you want more and more people to join in and then be...
Definitely. Actually, basic idea of mine is like everybody, all these players, disabled, you can say like differently able people, they should be like not sitting at home compulsorily, and they should have to have an outlet. So we are trying to give them this ground, you can say, court, to come here, meet people and explore themselves and do different things which they are not getting to, because we don't have any accessible facilities or something around. So this is the basic idea, and if some of them excel in the sport, then that is well and good.
See, I mean, I want to do, or rather me and Nitin want to do something for this. So, and I would also like the audience who is watching it to help us out by any kind of contribution. So, I mean, as you had told me, that a basic wheelchair, I mean the normal ones, will cost something like 45 to 50,000. So
not exactly actually. It's like 35 to 40,000 you can say.
Okay.
These are motivation chairs. You can actually check on their website, Motivation India, the website. And there are so many challenges actually, because we have to provide them. These are all the players have some not great economical background, so we have to provide them so many things. And the main thing is the sports chair. So 35 to 40,000 rupees for a single chair. Then axles and tile sets and all those things that costs a lot. So like you can donate generously. You can actually 3-4 friends come together, and for your birthday you can donate us a chair or something like that. That will be like really great, because it's really will be helpful for us, because the people are we had started with 3-4 players, and now literally today it was 17 players on the ground, and we were like we don't have that much chair right now.
Correct.
So we are looking for that.
Yeah. So that's a good idea. I think we urge all of you to think about it. I think it's a very small contribution for the society, if you ask me. So I think in case you all are interested, please mention it in the comment box. We will get in touch with you, and then we can take it forward. We'll put you on to the respective people who will be in charge of this, and surely a best thing to do and give back to the society. Thank you so much, and thank you, Suvarna. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
God
both of
bless
you, actually, because you are taking so much of interest in our activity, and our players are feeling really great. So, you are supporting them, so they are also feeling great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.